So many of you asking the DMs on how do you use Google Sheet Node inside N8n. So I'm gonna show you how. So to start off, we're going to create a simple agent. So we're going to use a chat trigger followed by an AI agent node. Alright. For the chat model, we're just going to use Gemini. I'm just using Gemini because I just have access on it. And for the memory, we're just going to use a simple memory. And for the tools, of course, Google Sheet. So let's discuss the different operations of Google Sheet Node. So we have append or update row, we have append row, clear, create, delete rows or columns, get rows, and update rows. So first, we're going to use an append row. As you can see, we need a Google Sheet here. So we're going to our Google Sheet and create a blank spreadsheet. And we're just going to give it a title, a Google Sheet practice 1. So we're just going to have the headers for name, location, number. Alright, now that we have those parameters, just going to pull this up and let's go back to N8n. Alright, let's try to search about Google Sheet practice 1 now that we have it. Use the sheet 1 for the sheet. For the column to match, this is the parameter that we need to match. So we're just going to use the name. Alright. And for the values here, we're just going to use the let model define this parameter, because the agent node in the prompt is just going to indicate which is the name, the location, and the contact number. And let's go back to the agent node. Yeah, let's add another tool, Google Sheet. Let's add a get rows, and of course, like the other one, sheet 1 and sheet or sheet. Alright, so currently we have append and get rows. Lastly, we're just going to use a delete row 1, sheet. Going to use the tools here and add a sheet. And for the other one, we're just going to delete rows. And the same from the same process. Alright, now that we have different tools here, we have append or update, delete or column from sheet, and get rows. So we're going to ask this open chat and reset this first and try some random data. Alright, now as you can see, it's not working. We have this. I'm sorry, I don't understand. That's because we don't have a prompt yet. So we're going to add a prompt. So this is the prompt that I made earlier. So this is just a simple prompt. So you are a helpful assistant. You will analyze the blank. So we're going to drag the chat input here. Alright, now you're going to analyze the JSON chat input, and you will extract the following parameters: the name, phone number, and location. General rule. Rule 1. Use the append or update node and update the data you have collected. Rule 2. If asked about the specific number or location of the name, you will use the get rows to get the information. And rule 3. If asked to delete a specific person, you will use the delete tool and delete the information about name. So yeah, let's try. Let's click save first, and let's try this. So we're going to reset, and I'm just going to use my name. Just for L. Sorry, L. My phone number is 09090909. And for location, I'm using the followed city. Alright, now that we have that information, as you can see, we have the append row or update row is activated. we have the reply of I have collected the following information: name, phone number, and location. Now let's go back to our Google Sheet and see if it reflected. So as you can see, it reflected our information. So yeah, and then we're going to use a get rows one. So let's reset it again and use where is Sariel located. Alright, now that it uses the get rows tool to get our information from the Google Sheet. So we have a reply here. Jester El Rosario is located in College City. Now for the delete, we're just going to ask about delete Jester El Rosario. Now you can see it uses the delete rows tool and deleted the information. As you can see, I have deleted Jester El Rosario from the sheet. Just like that, you can connect your Google Sheet inside N8n. So if you have more suggestions for more videos, so just comment it or just DM me about the topic so that we can help each other out. So yeah.